Hey there, Saturday morning and been out for a run and now off to do some shopping. Thinking today, some conversations we've had this week on spreadsheets and people's use of Excel and why people bother still to generate their reports by hand every month, collecting their data, putting it in the spreadsheet, getting everyone round, putting days of work into someone's schedule to produce a monthly report. Goes to the board, actions maybe even doesn't get looked at, and then comes around again. Get this stuff into a dashboard, get the work done up front, and then you can be checking this stuff every time. It saves people days of work a month and collating stuff around, and plus makes it much easier to add more and more services and more feeds of data into the system. So that's my message for the day, is that you can have the data work for itself and work overnight, because collecting data in Excel is nuts. So let's get some stuff automated. Take care and have a good weekend.